Why does my man always want sex? 6 big things ladies must know about men and sex. Have you ever pondered why men are so drawn to sex? The truth is, they really are. Men have a strong affinity for sex. Now that we've acknowledged this reality and possibly invoked some stereotypical perceptions, let's delve deeper. Instead of focusing solely on sex, I want to shift the conversation towards a broader understanding. Before men start cheering and women begin rolling their eyes, let's pause and listen. This discussion isn't about boosting egos, it's about fostering understanding and enhancing connections. So, let's approach this with open minds and a desire to comprehend. Ladies, to deepen the intimacy in your relationships, it's essential to grasp a few things about men's sexual drive. 6 things ladies must understand about why men like sex. 1. Just because it's not a priority to you, doesn't mean it isn't to him. Ladies, if sex isn't a top priority for you and is more of an afterthought, it's likely that for him, it holds significant importance. Just as you require him to communicate, engage, and feel connected to you, he also needs you to be intimate with him. Connection. This is one of the key reasons why men value sex. 2. It's not just about the physical for him. He also desires to feel desired, and engaging in sex maintains his emotional connection to you. Surprisingly, being intimate with you boosts his confidence levels far beyond the confines of the bedroom. Sexual desire and the act itself serve as the recharge he requires. 3. Stop making excuses and just go through the motions. Seeking out excuses to avoid intimacy, experiencing frequent headaches, or creating an atmosphere that subtly communicates disinterest to your partner can be hurtful. Yes, hastily donning a head wrap or face mask and slipping into bed before your partner arrives sends a clear message of disinterest once again. Moreover, inviting the children to sleep in the same room doesn't improve the situation. It's not as discreet as you might think. Understand that simply going through the motions and wishing for it to be over is noticeable to him. He'd prefer rejection over feeling like he's pressuring his wife into intimacy. Remember, ladies, intimacy is what they seek as well. 4. He gets tired too. Just as you have your responsibilities, he has his own, work, children, and all. Therefore, consistently being tired cannot be the only reason to withhold intimacy from your partner. The truth about intimacy is that, like any other activity, the most challenging part is often just getting started. Once you do, momentum naturally builds. Furthermore, besides physical fatigue, there's also emotional exhaustion. Each rejection chips away at his willingness to keep trying. When he stops making an effort, that's when problems arise. Suddenly, frustration mounts, and passive-aggressive behaviors start creeping into your household dynamics. Have you ever pondered why, despite thinking everything's fine, he seems a bit curt with you? Communicates less. Devotes more time to his hobbies. Spends increasing amounts of time away from home. Men gravitate towards places where they feel wanted and desired. So, reflect on the last time you made him feel that way. If it's been a while, it might be worth addressing. 5. Other women will pick up on the vulnerability. I understand that this might stir some discomfort because it may seem selfish, but as women, consider the occasions when men have turned to you for solace in their moments of hurt. Your partner is no exception. Often, when he feels rejected or lacks affirmation at home, he may seek that validation elsewhere. It's not necessarily about engaging in physical intimacy with another woman, rather, the mere feeling of being desired can be enticing and appealing to him. And indeed, there are many women who are perceptive to this void, those at his workplace, at the gym, or sometimes even within your own social circle. So, It's crucial not to leave any gaps for them to fill. Note for men, this isn't an excuse to go and step out on your woman, because there are many other solutions to prevent things from getting to this level. 6. Open your mouth. The time you spend confiding in your girlfriends about why you lack desire for intimacy with your partner should also be invested in opening up to him about the same. You might believe you're protecting him by not disclosing potentially hurtful truths, like feeling unsatisfied sexually, but avoiding the issue and rejecting him only inflicts more harm. Now, how you convey this information matters greatly, but that's a topic for another blog post altogether. Just bear in mind that yelling and criticizing his performance in bed likely won't yield the desired outcome. Ladies, I understand these truths may be difficult to accept, but these are the things your girlfriends may not tell you, and sometimes your partner may be too proud to communicate them to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.